Yeah, welcome back to our channel. In here is a black soap, local black soap, and we're going to use it to make hair shampoo. We'll start by boiling 1 spoon of rosemary in water. Then we can pieces the black soap and add hot water to it. The hot water will easily melt it in a short period. You can try and pieces it some more in the hot water while the water is still hot so that it can easily melt out. Then once it's completely melt, we can now sieve our rosemary water into it. Rosemary will help strengthen the hair. At this point, we're going to add our essential oil. You can add the essential oil of your choice. I'm using coconut oil in drops, few drops. I'm going to also add few drops of castor oil. This will help to absorb more moisture into the hair follicle as well. We are also adding about a spoon, that's equivalent to 5 drops of mint oil. Mint oil helps to ease dry, itchy scalp. So you mix this all up. You can further add other essential oil that have aromatic fragrance. That's your own choice. Now our shampoo is almost ready. We'll pour into a bottle, or if you have other type of shampoo bottle, you pour into it. Then the shampoo is ready. It's foamy, it foams a lot because I've done this before. It foams a lot and it's free of chemicals. This is purely natural hair shampoo. You can use it anytime you need to wash your hair. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.